Tutis yan, tutis. Aywa! Uli! Tuna! Tuna, tuna! Oh! Aywa! Ang laki! Kawin mo na!
Hey guys, this is a fluorocarbon and 45 LB braided line. Hey guys, is how to make a FG knot, and very simple and very easy. Like this, you make a one like this. And this, okay. Nakikita tol. Okay. Like this, yeah. Okay. Then, okay. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 5. This one, like this. Okay, in leather line is 58 lb, and put your, so like this, yes, to make a tension. Okay, like this. One, oh. One, other side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 is good. 25, and then like this, and put this one, yes, and this one, make a
look.
1 and counter, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a very strong. Okay, then put your very sharp scissor and cut this area. Much better, no
Excess.
excess. Okay, then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a very nice, guys, very nice. Okay, then in the last, you make a 1, 2, 3, and slow, okay, and then Okay. Okay guys, finish quickly and very nice. This is a FG knot. Very easy and very simple and but strong. Okay. And sana lang. Ano natin doon sa ano.
Bang ikabit.
Hindi sa dulo. Yung ano sana sa dulo. O pa. Smooth sa ano. Okay. Oh. Okay. Very easy. No hassle. Okay guys. And picture na natin to.